Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make authentic churros. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Then, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until the dough forms a ball. Remove from heat and beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, until the dough is smooth and glossy. Now that our dough is ready, it's time to shape our churros. Carefully transfer the warm dough into a sturdy piping bag fitted with a large open star tip, typically a 1M or similar. You can pipe long, straight churros, about 6 inches in length, or create charming loops directly onto a sheet of parchment paper. Aim for consistent thickness and length to ensure they cook evenly and look professionally made. Next, we'll fry our churros to achieve that perfect golden crispness. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few churros into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Use tongs to turn them and remove them to a wire rack. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to our delicious churros. While they are still warm from the fryer, immediately toss them in a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. A ratio of 1/4 cup of sugar to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon works wonderfully. Serve these delightful treats warm, perhaps alongside a rich, homemade chocolate dipping sauce or a creamy dulce de leche. Enjoy your authentic, homemade churros as a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.